In this video, we are going to be analysing NIO. Now, we are going to have to record this. We are recording this on the Tuesday, December 6th. So just to account that, because it's probably going to be released a day or two after, because I don't think I'll be able to record any videos those days. So yes, price might be a bit different from those videos, but really the overall analysis is still going to be quite similar. So the levels here are from when we did our previous analysis. Really not too much has changed. What we said we were looking for is really a break above either side, and then you want to start seeing some closes and a break. So what you can see, obviously on the 4 hour, it did break and hold, but going over to the daily, which especially on these kind of breakouts, it's going to be a lot more significant. We didn't ever close above it. We tested it, pulled back a bit, broke outside of it, but instantly before the day closed, pulled back and closed back within the range. So yes, this range is not broken yet. When will I turn kind of long bias on this stock then? So what I want to see is a break above now this level. So even though it's not the range, this was the previous high, I want to see a break above this level and a close above this level on the 1 day chart. If we get that, that's a good indication we will continue higher. And then again, that's when our first deviations come back into play. We would be expecting a movement to at least kind of $17. So that's still 22% upside. So again, even if you're not getting in, and which probably unlikely that you're getting from the bottom to the top, even if you miss out by, say even 50 cents either side, you're still looking at pretty good risk to reward. Let's say even if you miss 50 cents either side, you would still be looking at around 15-14% upside, which again can still be a really good trading opportunity. So that's what really I'd be looking to pay attention to now. To the downside, I would not be trading the range break to the downside, and the reason for that is if we got a false break this side, because again if we break to the downside then this was false, then this can be quite likely a false break too. So I think you're taking a lot of extra risk if you're trading that way, and instead I would be waiting till $9.08, because that is our first deviation on the 6-month chart. So we'll quickly clear these levels just to quickly go over kind of more clearly what we're paying attention to. So over to the daily chart, what was that range we created before? And that was basically just this level. As you can see here, basically just where we traded, for over a month, kind of just in this range. Now, we can actually activate this just to make it a bit wider. Again, we broke out of here, but we closed below. So again, no breakout as of yet. Watch for that break. If we can break over $14, get a close above it, that's a good bullish signal. And I would be looking to trade to around $17 to around $17.50. Again, this is a range, so it's going to be our target if we're trading the breakout and the long bias trade. But also, it's our first deviation. So what happens the first time we hit this? We're looking for a pullback opportunity, and that's why we would lock in profits here, and we'd probably reverse the position and start taking it short. I'll be looking to trade that pullback. Again, once you're up about a point or so, move our stop to break even in anticipation of still getting that full reversal. We can still get a lot of upside, but if for any reason it starts and tries to continue up, you can make a bit of money and have basically a break-even stop. So you had a lot more, or a much stronger risk to reward, and you can still get some money out of it. Obviously not as if you closed out the whole position on the scalp, but 9 times, well, not, I don't want to say 9 times out of 10, but let's say even if half the time it does a reversal, which isn't unlikely at these kind of levels, there's just a lot more money on the table. Now, if we touch this level again, not looking to trade it until we get the break, and then I'll be waiting for that retest of support. If it holds, then I'm looking at it long bias, and we'll be looking at $21 and $24 as targets. Now to the other side, like I said, I'm not looking to trade really the breakout to the downside. The only way I'm touching it to the downside is maybe if we get to around 908. And actually this seems to actually be quite wide. So I'll probably be more focusing on there. But 908, again, you're taking on a bit of risk taking it here, because this level was hit multiple times in the past. So it could be a strong support. But again, if you keep coming back to a level, it is also waiting for a break. So 908 could take it long. Maybe just take small size if you are. But really the strong high probability levels will be down at $5.75 and $5. That's really what I'd be looking at. And whether, if you're someone who believes in this company fundamentally and you want to get long biased, definitely going to be a good investing level. But really, even from a trading opportunity standpoint, that level is going to be very high probability. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on NIO. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.